Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making my easy Instant Pot baked beans. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is some cooked baked beans. Now before this video I cooked about 3 cups of pinto beans with my easy Instant Pot pinto bean recipe. Now I took half of those out to use in some other recipes and meals, and I have the rest left in here. Now I drained those, so I have about 1.5 cups of what would have been dry pinto beans. Now it's about 3 cups of cooked pinto beans that have been drained. And I also have 1.5 cups of my easy Instant Pot barbecue sauce. Any barbecue sauce will work. This one's just my healthy option, and I think it tastes fantastic. So I'm gonna bring you guys in here and we're gonna get this going. All right, I've got my Instant Pot here. I will open that up so you can see the pinto beans that have already been cooked in here. Now I didn't cook them with any spices because I knew I was going to be making some baked beans with them. But all I'm going to do is take my 1.5 cups of my easy Instant Pot barbecue sauce. I'm going to stir it around, and as you can see, it's kind of loose right now, but that will change. Now we're going to go ahead and click the saute button, and we are going to set that for 15 minutes. Now, depending on how hot your Instant Pot runs, we might need to do this for a lessened time or for a little bit more time, but I'm going to set that for 15 minutes, and when that is done and reduced, we will be back. All right, it ended up being around 20 minutes on the saute setting, but I'm going to pull this up here so you can see perfectly cooked baked beans in the Instant Pot. I'm gonna get a dish of this bowled up, I'm gonna get the kitchen cleaned up, and I will see you guys in just a second. All right guys, I got the kitchen all tidied up. I've got a bowl of my easy Instant Pot baked beans here, ready to taste. I really hope you saw how easy this is, right? You just use the easy Instant Pot pinto bean recipe, or if you don't have the pinto beans made, you can use canned pinto beans. Just make sure you drain them off. And you can do the exact same thing I did here on the stovetop. It's just really nice to be able to use that saute setting and set it and forget it on the Instant Pot. I'm gonna go ahead and give these a try. Really delicious, really nice, great flavor. The beans keep their texture well. Just fantastic. I had some of you asking me about a baked bean recipe, so I wanted to make sure I got this uploaded because this is something that we use all the time, especially if we're making like some barbecue jackfruit or some of the barbecue vegan ribs or some bean burgers. This goes great as a side dish to those. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video. If you did, hit the like button on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel, or if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that little bell to get notified whenever I post a new recipe video. I am Plant-Based Gabriel with my easy Instant Pot baked beans, hoping that I will see you very, very soon.